Hi girls, so I just got out of the shower and the first thing I always do after I get out of the shower is apply this Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner cream. And I always apply this to my hair regardless of what I'm going to do. If I'm going to straighten it, curl it, just going to let it dry, I always use this. So I grab like a quarter size and then I rub it with my hands. And I put it all over my hair, in every section. After I'm done using that, I grab a brush, any brush will do, and I just comb my hair. Try not to pull hard. And your hair should be wet. So either take a shower before or wash your hair or simply just moisten up your hair. But your hair should be wet for this. Like that. For this next part, I'm going to use mousse, and I'm using Aussie Catch the Wave Mousse plus leave-in conditioner, and a brush, a scrunchie, and a pen or a pencil. I'm using a color pencil, so you're going to put your hair back, grab some mousse, a good amount, because this is going all in your hair, so a good amount. Rub it in your hands, and just put it in your hair and start scrunching your hair. And what I mean by scrunching is when you grab a little bit of mousse, you're going to grab, kind of like use your hand as a claw, and put it towards the ends, and then push up. And at the same time, you're applying the mousse. And you do this throughout all your head. And this is scrunching your hair. Grab a pencil, and you're going to try to evenly separate your hair. So I'm just going to use the pencil and put as much hair on the bottom layer, so we're separating it by layers. And then you're just going to grab everything else with a scrunchie. Like that. You should have hair at the bottom. And then for this part, I'm going to add just a little bit more mousse. That much. Like that much. Just a little bit more. And apply it to my hair. And then I'm going to use this Aussie Scrunch Catch the Waves hairspray. And I have a bigger bottle just in case I run out. So yeah, you're just going to, like I said, scrunch your hair like that. And then you're going to lightly add hairspray like that. Any hairspray will do. This is just my personal favorite because I like how it smells and I like my hair smelling good. And then once you're done with that, put it back. And then take the scrunchie off. Do the same thing. You're going to let down a little bit more hair. Grab your mousse. Apply a little more because this is more hair. Rub your hands with it. And then just apply it in your hair like that. Scrunch it up. And then like that. If you feel like you need more, go ahead and use more. I feel like I need more, so I'm going to apply more. Like that. See how it looks kind of like scrunched? And then you're going to add the scrunch hairspray. And at the same time, you're going to be pushing it up, pushing your hair up. Like that. I like to do this because it usually holds like that. See how it curls more like that compared to this side? So you can go like that. And then keep doing that with your hair, and then I'll see you when we get to the top layer. And for the last section of your hair, depending on how you like it, I like my part to the side, but if you like yours to the middle, go ahead and part it to the middle. Or if you like it on this side, well then I already did your job for you. Now you just have to scrunch that hair. But I'm just going to put my pencil in and part my hair. Again, add mousse to both sides. And by now your hair shouldn't be as wet, but it's still moist enough. But if it's not, you can go ahead and add water and then add mousse because your hair should be wet when you're doing this. It's beginning to add hairspray. Mom and Dad can hurry, it's school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. And now you can kind of see it looks a little scrunched, and it's like this whole wet looking thing. I know some people have it a lot curlier, but my hair isn't really naturally curly. I mean, it is naturally curly, but I don't know why when I do this it comes out like this. But go ahead and keep scrunching it, and your curls should come out. That always happens to me. So keep scrunching it. It kind of helps if you hold it for a long time. I usually do this. This would be a cool hairstyle. But yeah, keep scrunching. Yeah, see? The more you scrunch it and the more you hold it, the better. Yeah, there you go. Next step is completely optional, but this is how I like to style my hair when it's like this. So I grab bobby pins. I grab like 2 for each side. So I like grab a little bit right here. And I like to twist it. And then put it back with a bobby pin. Like that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right here. And then I like to add another one just to be safe. Sometimes I hold a little, I grab a little more and then just find the other bobby pin and I just stick it in. And I usually like to do it to the other side. So I'll like grab my bangs out, grab this and then twist it back. Then add to, like I did to the other side. And then you could wear your hair like this. I think it looks cute like this, but I like to add a headband, so I'm going to add my headband like that. And I think that looks really cute. So now we have a few more steps to go. I always do this last, but a lot of people wonder why I do this last, but I don't know. I just like doing it last. So I'm going to use gel, and here I'm using Aussie Awesome Volume Texturizing Gel, and this is maximum hold. That's all you're going to need. Like about that much. I don't know if you can see that. That much is all you're going to need. So, again, with your hands. And then you're just going to apply it to your whole head. And you're going to scrunch and scrunch like I showed you. Keep scrunching until you don't feel any more gel in your hands. Scrunch. And you should have better curls right now. So if you want to add more, go ahead. I guess I'll try to finish this up. So I'm adding another. Okay. You should be good. And now you're going to use any hairspray with a strong hold. So I'm just using Tresemme. And then you're just going to add it to your whole head of hair. You see how my bangs just like naturally came out really nice? I don't know. I like how it looks. But yeah, just gonna add hairspray. You can go ahead and do it again. And then voila. And your hair should stay like this. My hair always stays like this. So your hair should stay like this, and this is the finished product. And I hope you guys like this tutorial, and comment, rate, and keep subscribing, guys. I'll be having a Christmas contest. I've already decided that I'm already having a Christmas contest, and the video for that should be up soon. And I'll try to have the winners up by Christmas, and I think they're pretty good prizes. So yep. And that's it for now. Sorry for not making many videos. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I think it looks cute. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.